So while using Premiere Pro, you can zoom in by using the scroll wheel on your mouse, and in most cases if you wanted to scroll down, you would come down here, or it depends on where you put your tools. You click this and then you drag the screen downwards, and you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to switch back to the selection tool, and now if I try to drag the screen, it won't work. But an easier way to quickly switch to the hand tool is by pressing on the scroll wheel. So just press on it and you'll see the hand tool. So you can now drag, and as you drag, it will switch between the hand tool and the selection tool. So hopefully this is a quick tip that will help you in your video editing process. And to quickly zoom out, use your scroll wheel, come to here, this zoom level, and scroll up, and it should quickly zoom out.